Hello everybody, Kris Gethin here and my beautiful better half, Sunshine, in the Caged Muscle kitchen. Today we're putting together a very beautiful high protein cinnamon and almond butter protein pancake. Alright, so the ingredients that you're going to need is half a cup of raspberries, great antioxidant profile there. Then the anti-inflammatory cinnamon. We're going to use a teaspoon of cinnamon, powdered cinnamon we got there. We have
1 tablespoon of almond butter, half a cup of wheat milk,
and then
4 egg whites and 1 whole egg.
And then to finish off, we're going to put 1 scoop of the micro-pure whey protein isolate in the vanilla flavor, okay? Okay, to start, we are going to put the 4 egg whites and 1 whole egg into a blender. That's going to give us our protein and our healthy fats. Then we're going to put the half a cup of oats in there. That's going to give us our complex carbohydrates. So we just added the tablespoon of almond butter. Now we are going to add the half a cup of raspberries. So great antioxidants there. And then we are going to put in the 1 scoop the whey protein isolate. So that's going to give you that first class protein, less than 1 gram of lactose in there, very easy to digest, and it's naturally flavored. And then we finish off with a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Great anti-inflammatory properties, good for your metabolism in the cinnamon powder. Great taste to it. And then we're going to blend that bad boy up. Blend it for about 20 seconds. Yep. Once that's blended, we're going to put this in a couple of small frying pans that are preheated. We've just heated them up a little bit, and we're just going to spray a little bit of oil in there. So I've got some coconut oil here that I'm just going to spray very lightly. Ooh, we are heated up. Let's put it down in there.
All right, let's do this. Let's get them on the plate. So flipped them over. Had a little boo-boo, but it's all right. Still intact.
It's real.
It's real deal. Everything's transparent here, even the pancake shape. Here we go. Hold on. I dare you to make a better pancake than this.
Well, it might look better. All right, so now comes the pretty bit where we add the topping. So we're going to add a little bit of pancake syrup. You can use caramel syrup if you want, but we're going to use pancake syrup because that's my favorite. Add a little bit of that going on. Drizzle that over and then we'll spread it.
I'm gonna do it my way. Side to side. Do you go side to side or you go in a circle?
I would go just dollop in the middle, but you're an artist, so I guess that's what you do. Alright, and then we'll use some raspberries, even though we've got some raspberries inside as well, just as a topping, just to make it look all pretty.
That's right.
Okay, buddy, you want to try it for us?
Alright.
Let us know what you think. Okay, so Slate is going to let us know if he likes this protein pancake.
He's a very picky eater, so he's going to tell us the truth.
Okay, so you like almond. Okay, he likes almond. You like cinnamon? Likes the syrup.
You like the strawberries or raspberries?
What about the rest of it? You're just gonna lick it, or are you gonna bite it? Oh, he seems to like licking off the. Oh, he's biting into it.
Ooh, there we go. He likes the tops first. This is Slate's first protein pancake.
Not those last, by the looks of things. Oh, now he's taking some chunks out.
He's digging
This is the first time he's eaten off a plate.
And off the counter.
Yeah. Don't do this at home.
Right, you get the other end.
Okay. I can't do it like him.
All right, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.